YouTube, everyone uses it, and fewer people create videos and upload them to YouTube. But if you are a YouTuber, or if you're just uploading videos casually even, you might want to know that you can monetize on the videos that you're uploading onto your channel. Now, you must have 1,000 subscribers before you'll actually receive any money for ads that will play before your videos. But if that's something that you have in your scopes and you'd like to do, I will show you how you can monetize your videos all in one bulk action instead of having to do each one individually once you finally get to the point where you have 1,000 subscribers. So if you come up, and once you've logged into your YouTube channel and you click on this icon, you know that you can come down here to click on your channel only. And once we get to our Hoppy and Jumpy channel, we're going to click on YouTube Beta, YouTube Studio Beta. That is the newer version of how to edit and make changes to your video. But if you want the bulk action of how to monetize all your videos at once, you want to come over to this left side menu and come all the way down to the bottom. You need to go into Creator Studio Classic. And that is going to get us what we need, because if we go into Video Manager, now this is going to take a while because it's loading all of our videos on our channel. And if you look at the top, we have 935 videos on our channel. So once they've all loaded, if you come over and look on this side, you can see whether your video is monetized or not. If you have never monetized it yourself and changed that setting, it's not monetized, trust me. You have to go in and select that option for each video, or you will not be monetized on any of them. You can do it individually, or you can do it in bulk. And once it's done, you'll see this green circle with a little money symbol inside. But with 935 videos, it would take a long time to do that individually. I am going to scroll down and show you that all of these have been monetized already. And we could go page after page until we finally come to some that are not monetized. So down here, I'm going to skip ahead to page 6. And it's taking it a while because, again, there's so many videos. Okay, we're still monetized here. All right, so here we are on page 6, and most of them are monetized on this page, except here are a couple that are not green. So we're going to select, I'll show you how to do it individually, for an individual video first. Come over here and click on that, and you won't get it come up in this menu. You have to go up to the top while this is selected. Okay, select your video and then scroll back up to the top. And under Actions, come down and select Monetize. So we'll click that. We're going to do all the default suggestions there and then finally hit Monetize. It will take it some time to process that request, and once it's done for this one video, then we would go on and do another video and wait for it to process, and on like that. Okay, so individually, it's very simple. It is also very simple though to monetize all of them at once in one bulk action. So once this process is complete, that's what we're going to do next. And scroll to the top. Well, this banner will go away. There we go. Okay, and we want to select in this checkbox. We're going to click that. It'll select everything on this page, all the videos on this page. And up at the top, you can confirm here that all 30 videos on this page are selected. But see, there's this also additional note here that you can select all your videos, not just the ones on this page, but all of them. That's what we want to do because we do want to monetize all 935. So we're selecting all. Okay, and there it confirms all your videos are selected. So now we come over to Actions, and we go to Monetization. And very simple decision. Do not monetize or monetize. Important text here. Make sure you read anything that says important, but it's very simple. It just says that you're confirming that you own everything that you're putting up there. You're not copying anybody else's material and content. This is your own, which of course it is, of ours, and that YouTube reserves the right to disable it if that's not true, okay, or if we're breaking any of their rules, which we're not. We're free and clear because this is a good, honest channel here. So we've got do not monetize select, but we do want to monetize. It's that simple. Now we're going to come over here and submit. And one last little warning here to make sure this is really what we want to do. You are about to update all your videos. You won't be able to perform another bulk action task until this update is done. No problem. We got some time set aside. We're going to let them process however long it takes to monetize all our videos here. We can't undo this update once it's started, meaning that we're not going to be able to interrupt the process. But after we've monetized them all, of course, if we decide at some point we want to not monetize on a couple of the videos for some reason, we have the choice and the option to go in and select an individual video and turn off monetization, of course, again. But we just won't be able to interrupt this process. If we all of a sudden get a Skype call and we want to do that instead of this, or you know, we'd have to go in and redo this whole thing. But we don't have that going on. All you have to do is, yes, submit. And this is going to go on for quite some time, and when it's done, we're going to see all of these green circles on every single page. All 935 videos will be completely monetized and ready to put money into our account if you watch the commercials and the ads before our videos. So every little penny counts. Penny saved is penny earned, right? So we figure might as well monetize while we're sharing our fun information. All right, so we have the pending process updating has happened, and 931 videos out of the 935 were successfully updated. Woohoo! And then 4 did not update, so we're going to view this report so we know why, and it'll tell us exactly what's happening. And all that happened was, in the process of uploading 935 videos, there were 4 that never completed uploading, that we just never deleted out of there apparently because we were so busy uploading content. So of course we're not going to be able to monetize on a failed video upload. So that doesn't bother us at all. So we viewed the report and saw that 4 of our failed uploads didn't monetize, which makes logical sense. But we also are going to come over here to this drop-down menu. We want to view it by any videos that are not monetized, just to double check and see if there are any others that they didn't tell us about. No, we're confirming 1, 2, 3, 4 did not monetize. Okay, we already knew that, but now I want to go over here and let's list these by any that are limited in their monetization for some reason, or they have no ads, and see if we have any of those. It's processing and thinking. And now you see there are several videos listed, but they don't have green dollar signs, they have yellow dollar signs. Okay, and that means they're it's kind of like a caution, or it's not complete yet because they've deemed it not suitable for most advertisers. There could be different reasons on here. Okay, and this one, now look, it's not suitable for most advertisers, so you want to guess what kind of content it might be? Well, you might be wrong, because if you look over here, they have deemed this video about cowbells on cows in Switzerland as not monetizable. Okay, that's okay with us. This one is also not monetizable. Make a duct tape carbon fiber wallet. We don't know why. That's just their decision, and so be it. You can contest it and you can go in and change, but I'm just showing you how to find it, because it won't show. You may or may not see these yellow not monetized labels unless you go over and use this filter as I just showed you. It will tell you what's monetized, it will tell you how many did not monetize, but it did not tell us automatically which ones were not suitable for most advertisers. We had to use this drop-down menu. And so if you want to go and hear about what YouTube did not find suitable for most advertisers, things like what pipe cleaners are really for, and how to cook and eat artichokes. Okay, so whatever their thought process is, we've got a few things to look into here, but you can still watch them. There just won't be any ads on them, and we won't get any money for it. So I hope that helped you, so that you can, first of all, monetize your videos once you reach 1,000 subscribers. And second of all, that you don't sit there and do each one individually, one at a time, because by the time you get to 1,000 subscribers, you're going to have a lot of videos. You can do a bulk action right at the top and save yourself a lot of time. So I hope this helps, and give us any hints or tips you have in the notes below. Thanks so much.